Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, 15th of June 2018. So the pound was sideways, it was bullish, it was above the DP, the previous day's close, the previous day's high. It was just breaking above the 134 level, as you can see there, and managed to rally all the way up to the R2, and then Draghi spoke and the whole lot came tumbling down, as it did for the euro as well. And the reason for this is whatever he said sent the US dollar moving sharply higher all the way, as I think there's some sort of proposal for the EU legislation to actually monitor the CME, CBOT, and all of any sort of financial regulation is now going to come from some sort of joint partnership by the ECB. That's what they want, and the Americans aren't having any of it, and they certainly won't under Trump, that's for sure. Also, while we're talking about Super Mario, as it says here, ECB 3-month taper announced whilst remains on hold. What they're doing is dropping it down to 15 billion a month to December 2018. However, this could continue through to the summer of 2019 before we see any interest rate increase from them. And again, that's another reason that added to the drop yesterday. No surprise really, it's a basket case anyway, as I've said before and continue to say, and that will be proven as time goes by. So we're through the 76% retracement for yesterday. We're definitely, as I said, with dead cat bounce earlier in the week, now assisted by Super Mario. And there you can see we've got 132 is the next downside target. See how the market fares here today with this. News today, what have we got? Nothing to shout about at all. It's all medium impact, so no point in going through any of those. And then in the Dow, funny session for the Dow. This continued to move higher in the pre-market session, and then attempted to move higher up to the L1, failed to hold, back through here, back through the 20 bar average, and then sailed all the way down to the 25,150 level, where the market found support and also a trading range. You can see there, just breaking out here, but then back down on the to retest where they'd retested here in the first place. So weakness in the Dow yesterday, the Nasdaq making new all-time high, technology stocks. You can also see that this is rounding over here as well at the moment. There's a sort of a rounding over of prices, which will make it interesting going forward as well, because a break below the 25,000 level, as I said yesterday, we'll see the market test the 20 bar average and this trend line here. And in Bitcoin, a bit of support yesterday. Ethereum apparently was given the green light to say it is not a security by the SEC in America. This sent the cryptos moving a bit higher yesterday. You can see there up, but again starting to come under pressure on the downside there. It's going to need some good buying to drive this through here. And if you look at the daily chart, we have some buying in for yesterday, but yesterday's high hasn't been taken out, and neither has the 6688 level yet either. And this needs to be taken out if the market is going to move back towards the upside there. So that's about it really. Quick summation of what's going on in the world. Draghi's thrown the spanner in the works, may create a bit of volatility. Could create some reversals as well. Dollar down, pound back up, and euro up as well. So be aware of that. A bit of a bounce after yesterday's move to the downside for the currencies there. Right, that's it for this one. If there's anything else to report, I will let you know. But as ever, have a great weekend. and thanks for watching. See you in the next one.